Unlock your business potential with System.io. Discover how to effortlessly create stunning sales funnels, automate your marketing, and skyrocket your revenue, all in one powerful platform. Ready to turn your ideas into quick income? Let's dive in. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you all things that you need to start with System.io as an affiliate. First of all, you have just to open your web browser and dive into System.io. So this is the homepage as you can see. So welcome to System.io, your all-in-one platform designed to empower entrepreneurs and online marketers. Whether you are launching a new product, building an email list, or creating an engaging sales funnel, System.io has everything you need to streamline your processes and boost your success. With user-friendly tools for automation, landing page creation, and affiliate management, you can focus on what truly matters: growing your business. Join our community and start turning your vision into reality today. So the first thing we have here, System.io is the easiest way for you to create sales funnels, send marketing emails, build websites, manage your affiliates, create online courses, automate your marketings, and that's it. So here we have also who said you need technical knowledge to build a business online. Manage every single aspect of your business without the hassle. You have the first one, course creators. Make money teaching people what you know. Host your online training. Receive payments from your students and sell your courses using sales funnels or email. Then we have here freelancers. Create a powerful website to sell your services, showcase your work, and get more leads. Then we have consultants here. Run evergreen webinars, communicate with your clients, and grow your audience. Then we have the last one, small business owners. Bring your business to life with our marketing and e-commerce tools. Sell anything to anyone with our point of sale features. Then we have here, if you want to become an affiliate, you click over here, become an affiliate. So we have this page. We have over than $5 million in commissions paid to our affiliates. We have the first thing, earn 60% lifetime commissions every time your affiliate link is used to purchase a System.io subscription or course. Then we have here open and simple rules. There are no conditions to join our affiliate program. Then we have your strong affiliate tracking. Your affiliate link is attached to every email we send to referrals. Then we have here anyone can be an affiliate. You don't need to be a System.io customer. And then you have here to write your email address, and then you get started and you'll find this page. You have just to click over join and start earning affiliate commissions, and you write your password, then you confirm it by your email and you get started. So right now, how you can get started as an affiliate. So the first step we have here, read our short guide on everything you need to know about System.io. Then we have step 2, read the info page about how to System.io affiliate program works. Then we have step 3, check out our branding page to find all the assets you'll need to create content about System.io. Then the fourth step, and this is the last step, access our affiliate swipe folder to find loads of promotional resources for all of our offers. And if you scroll down, you find here choose an offer to promote. You have here the definition of System.io, a fast and simple marketing tool that has everything you need to launch, grow, and scale your online business. Build sales funnels, send emails, create and manage online courses, run affiliate programs, build a website, and automate almost every aspect of your marketing. Have your System.io free plan, and you have earned 60% lifetime requiring commissions. So if you want to become an affiliate, all you have to do is just go to here, and right now I will give you some steps to create products. But first, let's know how you can make money draw a system. So making money draw a system can involve several strategies depending on the type of system in questions. For instance, if you are looking at an online platform, you might consider affiliate marketing, where you earn commissions by promoting products or services. Another approach is creating and selling digital products such as ebooks or online courses, leveraging your expertise subscription based models can also be profitable, allowing you to generate recurring revenue by offering exclusive content or services. Additionally, utilizing advertising on your website or social media can bring in passive income. Ultimately, the key is to identify a system that aligns with your skills and interests while providing value to your audience. So to create a product, all you have to do is click over products, and this is the first one, physical products. You have just to create, and you write your name. The description you have just to copy it on ChatGPT or Perplexity, then you paste it here. You can also do your own description. Then you have SKU here, product tags, currency, price, weight, inventory also, and you click over and you write your stock limit full value. Then we have shipping here, disable shipping fees for this product. Or media you can just download it on canva.com for example, or Amazon, or the one you want. Then you upload it here. Then about options, this product has options such as size or color. Then you have to write your option name, option value. Also you can add another options. Then you click over save. Also we have courses here, and just click over add new courses. Then you write your name, your domain, and you pay it here, and you choose the one you want. Then you click over save. Then we have also communities. You can just click over create, then you write your name, domain name, your path, and then you click over save. And this is how it works with create products. Then I will show you how you can create sales funnels. So you can just go to sales funnels and you click over create, you write your name, your funnel domain, then you choose your funnel goals, for example build an audience, sell, custom, run an evergreen webinar. For example I will choose this one, then I will choose the currency, and then I will click over save. Then we have here an upgrade for packages. You can choose the one you want. About the first one is for free, then the second one you have to pay $27 per month, it's startup. Then we have a webinar here, and we have a limited here. So this is how it works, and this is how it looks and its characteristics. Then we have here payment gateways. About this one we have Stripe. You can choose the one you want, for example, or the one you work with it. We have Stripe, PayPal, Mercado Pago, Razorpay, Flutterwave, Molly, Paystack, and other things. So let's come back here, and so earning money through a system requires a strategic approach tailored to your strength and market demand. Whether through affiliate marketing, digital product sales, or subscription models, the possibilities are vast. By focusing on providing value and engaging your audience, you can create a sustainable income stream. With dedication and the right strategies, you can turn your efforts into a successful venture that not only generates revenue but also fulfills your passions. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.